Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the 2020 Volvo V90? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you locate and understand every fuse easily. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2020 Volvo V90 distributes and protects power to key systems like the engine, ABS, and cooling fans. It safeguards against electrical faults and overloads. Fuse box under the glove compartment. The fuses under the glove compartment in the 2020 Volvo V90 protect cabin-related systems such as the infotainment unit, interior lighting, and climate controls. They ensure safe operation of essential interior electronics. Rear compartment fuse box. The rear compartment fuse box in the 2020 Volvo V90 manages power distribution for rear features like power tailgate, rear window defroster, and rear lighting. It helps protect these systems from electrical overload or short circuits. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools. Check for the correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagram is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching.